today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight your formulas in the spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So in doing this, we are going to be using the help of AppScript and ChatGPT. So in previous videos, you've already seen me use ChatGPT to create app scripts, and this has been very helpful, especially when you don't have backgrounds in creating codes, JavaScripts, and all that. So if you want to know where your formulas are and you want to highlight them in your spreadsheet, here's how we're going to do it. So first, we're going to go to our ChatGPT. You can go ahead and open yours. Once you're in there, what I did was to type this one where it says generate an app script in Google Sheets that highlights formulas in a spreadsheet. And I've also asked it to create a custom button on our menu bar. After that, I press enter and this is what it's generated. So once it's generated that code, all you have to do would be to copy the code by clicking on the top right corner where the JavaScript is. There you have it. At the bottom, it tells you how it works. So we will have that custom menu in your menu bar, which will say Formula Tools, and it will have two functions: to highlight your formulas and to clear those highlights. So let's go ahead and copy again this code. There we go. Once you've copied that, go back to your spreadsheet. Here we have it. Go to your extensions in the menu bar and select AppScript. Once you click on that, it will open AppScript on a new tab where we're going to paste that script. So usually there are a few things right here which you'll have to delete. Then you can go ahead and paste. Once you've pasted that, you're going to save it first, save the project, then click on Run. Once you click on Run, it will ask to review some permissions, which you will allow. Once you've allowed those permissions, it will say here in our execution log, execution started, then completed. Once that's done, we can now go back to our spreadsheet. And here in our spreadsheet, that custom menu bar is already right here, which is our Formula Tools. If we click on it, again, we have those two options, which will help us highlight those formulas. And if we are done highlighting, we can clear them out. So first, click on Highlight Formulas to see where those functions or formulas are. And here we have it. So the color that has been used here is a light yellow color. And if you want to change that, you can go back to ChatGPT, ask for it to change the color, and it will do so. You're just going to have to do the process again, copy the code, go back to your app script, save it, then run the script, and go back to your spreadsheet. But I'm okay with this color, and it definitely highlights where my formulas are. If I double click on this, you will see that we have a formula which calculates our total sales. And there you have it. Now, if you want to clear that highlight, we can go back to our Formula Tools, again, our custom menu, select Clear Highlights, and there you have it. It's cleared out those highlights. Let's say I were to do another formula on this cell right here. Let's see if we will highlight it as well. I'm just going to sum our sales right here. There we go. Press Enter. And there you have it. If I go back to Formula Tools, click on Highlight Formulas, it will include that new formula that we just created. And there you have it. So that's how you can use AppScript to highlight your formulas here in Google Sheets with the help of ChatGPT. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.